In today's video, we're going to take a look at the chart of LYFT. This is a 30-minute chart. This is really the only place where I was able to find a setup on this one. Okay, and it simply came from, a symmetry projection of a prior decline, a 618 retracement of the prior low to high swing, and then there was a little extension. If you took this low to this high, the 1618 extension came in at the bottom. So there were three price relationships between 2075 to 2107. That would be considered the cluster that you would take a trade against. Now, typically, if we hold above this area, the typical target that we're going to look for is, the first target is 3366, which is the 1272 extension of the swing into the zone. The second target, if it continues higher, would come in at 3715. Now, the only problem with this is that today, with the gaps that we've had, there was no graceful entry in a lot of these. Okay, now if you don't care that you're a lot further away from where your initial risk is, that's fine if you want to trade it that way, but you would have to risk below this area if you did take an entry. So what I'm looking at doing in the next couple of trading days is I'm looking to see if we can get a pullback where I can refine the risk and where it's not like, well, yeah, you have to buy it here and risk underneath here. Because the best entries that you get with this work is, right after you test the zone and it holds and you go down to a lower time frame chart and you get in relatively quickly, then you're only risking, from here to like just underneath this zone. But now, if you took it when we opened, that's a heck of a lot more risk, and I don't like to put those out for my traders. So in these cases, I will be setting up pullbacks on the lower time frame charts. Just know that if we continue to hold above this support in LYFT, that we will be looking for at least a minimum upside target of the 3366 area.